Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a budget in QuickBooks Online, so let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, navigate to the Budgets section. Here, you'll see all your budget-related activities. Click on Create Budget to open the Budget Creation tool. You'll now be asked to choose the type of budget you want to create. After selecting the option that fits your needs, click Next to continue. The most important step is entering your budget data. This is where you'll add the financial details you want to track, such as projected income, allocated expenses, and other key financial figures. Be as accurate as possible. The more precise your data, the more useful your budget will be in helping you manage finances. Once you've entered all the details, review the information carefully to make sure there are no errors. Even small mistakes could affect the accuracy of your budget. When you're satisfied, click Save to finalize. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.